If you're looking for a great deep conditioning routine, keep watching. I gotta go finish my hair. And I love it because it has like a little hand grip. Hey lovies, welcome to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm sharing with you my deep condition routine. For the best relaxed hair tricks and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, make sure you subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it. Okay, lovey, so I'm coming to you today looking a hot mess. Like, no makeup, no clothes. Like, girl, what's going on? I'm showing you my deep conditioning routine. So, I already have the conditioner in my hair, but I'm going to show you the process of me making my deep conditioner, as well as putting in my conditioner, how I apply the conditioner to my hair. So if you're looking for a great deep conditioning routine that's going to moisturize, condition, strengthen, yet soften your relaxed hair or your natural hair, keep watching. Okay, so for my deep conditioning mixture, I'm using 3 conditioners and 2 oils. So the first conditioner is by Silk Elements. It's the Strengthen and Silk Intense Conditioning Mayonnaise with coconut oil and silk. The second conditioner is by Maui Moisture. It's the Heal and Hydrate plus Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry damaged hair. And the third conditioner is by Care. It's the Humecto Cream Conditioner. The 2 oils I'm using olive oil, and I'm using my castor oil as well. We have all of our ingredients, so now it's time to whip up a fresh batch of deep conditioner. So using my plastic bowl, my little plastic bowl I got from Amazon. I got this set from Amazon. It came with the bowl, the measuring spoons, and also a knife, which is what I'm going to use as a mixer. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of the Silk Elements Strengthen and Silk Conditioner. So 2 tablespoons of that. Then I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of the Maui Moisture Conditioner, as well as 2 tablespoons of the Care Humecto Cream Conditioner. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of olive oil and then a teaspoon of castor oil. And then I'm going to mix all of those ingredients up until it's mixed completely and it's very nice and creamy. And then there we have it. We have our deep conditioning mixture for our hair. Straight from the shower. I'm going to apply the conditioner in sections. So I divided my hair in 2, and then I'm going to work my way from the back up, 1 section at a time. So I like to start off with small pieces of hair like this and apply conditioner from root to tip. And I kind of like to finger comb as well as I apply my conditioner. And then that's 1 section, if you can see. So just working the conditioner in small sections. See, this is the next section. And then again, apply conditioner from root to tip. So I like to work in sections because I want my hair to be thoroughly drenched in the conditioner. Like, I want the conditioner to get on every strand, and I know this helps out a lot when applying my conditioner, because you know, if you just take a handful of conditioner and just spread it all over your hair, you're only going to pretty much get the top layer of your hair, what about the middle part of your hair? So this just helps with that. So I know for sure that my whole head, every strand, will be covered with conditioner. So as you saw, I'm using 3 different conditioners. So I'm using 3 conditioners that I know that works good on my hair. I love the way it makes my hair feels extra soft, moisturized. All 3 of those conditioners. I think the Maui Moisture is actually a mask. So I have 2 conditioners and a mask. I know the Silk Elements is a protein strengthening conditioner. The Maui Moisture is a moisturizing conditioner. I'm getting a little bit of moisture, a little bit of protein. So I just have a mix, and then I added oils that I like. Just use conditioners that work on your hair that you like. That's what I did. And use oils that you like. And so pretty much anything I'm doing with my hair, I am going to do in sections. So I love to work in sections. I wash my hair in sections. I deep condition in sections. So if you would like to see how I wash my hair, go ahead and check out my wash day routine video. It shares a lot with you about how I wash my hair. I wash my hair in sections and the process. So just want to make sure I get the crown of my hair where I have breakage. I want it to be very moisturized. I'm going to do, of course, the nape. I have breakage in my nape area. So I just want to make sure I get those areas very well. The sides of your hair. Don't want to neglect your edges. We want to keep those edges, girl, nice and moisturized and growing. So make sure you get your edges, and of course the ends. The ends are the oldest part of your hair, so you want to make sure that they're moisturized as well. So gotta put a lot of deep conditioner on that. So it doesn't take long. So now I'm going to clip this side up. So I'm going to work on this side, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps. Process seems tedious and seems like I'm being so extra and like, girl, just put the conditioner on your hair. But like I said, moisture is everything, and you want to make sure your hair is very moisturized, and deep conditioning is a great way to moisturize, well, to add moisture to your hair. So I take deep conditioning very seriously. So every time I deep condition, this is how I deep condition my hair. But I know since I've changed how I apply my deep, well, I always apply my deep conditioner like this, but how I kind of create a deep conditioner, I noticed a big difference in my hair and the moisture. So yeah, it's going good. So I'm gonna keep this up. I've been doing this for like maybe 3 months now. So, and I'm loving the results. So you want to be very generous. I'm not cheap at all with my conditioner. I will use the whole container, whole bottle in one sitting. So yeah, don't be cheap with your conditioner. So I have leftover conditioner. So this is how much I have left over. So I'm just going to use it anyways. So I'm going to add more. Slather that on. Another thing I added to my deep conditioning routine is a massage brush or a scalp massager. So I like to massage in the deep conditioner, and I love it because it has like a little hand grip. Look, so you can hold it like this or like this, and then I like to go ahead and kind of like massage in the conditioner. and it just feels amazing if you have an itchy scalp and you want to scratch. So I just like to take a couple of minutes and just massage my scalp while the conditioner is in my hair. It will help with hair growth because it's going to stimulate your scalp, get the blood flowing, and that helps with hair growth. But honestly, y'all, I just love the way it feels. So I did one side, and now I'm gonna go to the other side. Okay, so once I'm done massaging my scalp, I'm going to pin up my 2 sections. So I like to keep my hair in 2 sections even as I let the deep conditioner sit in my hair. So I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes to an hour. Girl, it just depends on what's on TV, how I'm feeling, but I let it sit in my hair a good minute. So 30 to 45 minutes with the cap on my head. And that's how I deep condition my hair. Comment down below and let me know what is your favorite deep conditioner. Check out these videos next for relaxed hair content and more. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all